Welcome back to The Groundwork, a real talk series for young men building real lives. I'm Salyana, founder of Salyana Essentials, and I help high achieving people stress less, lead well, and live a life they love. Today we're talking about one of the most unspoken weights on a man's shoulders, the pressure to provide, and what it's silently costing you. From a young age, a lot of men are taught that their worth is measured by what they can give, what they can earn, how well they can protect, solve, and show up, even if it destroys them. Providing becomes a performance. And when you're struggling, you don't feel like a man, you feel like a failure. But here's the truth. Your ability to provide should not come at the cost of your peace. Not your health, not your sleep, not your joy, not your identity. Because when you're constantly pouring from an empty cup, you don't just burn out, you start disappearing in the process. The people who love you want you, not your paycheck, not just your problem solving, but your presence, your health, your spirit. This week's reflection is, what has the pressure to provide taken from you? And what would it look like to provide from a place of wholeness instead of survival? You don't have to prove your value through pain. You are more than what you produce. If this episode spoke to you, leave a comment or pass it on to someone who's silently struggling under the same pressure. Ready to pour back into yourself for once? Explore support, coaching, or retreat options at SalyanaEssentials.com. This is The Groundwork, where men are allowed to be human, and healing isn't weak, it's leadership.